Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you chess tactics for beginner level players, intermediate players, and advanced level players. Every player should know this chess tactics. Okay, I am going to teach you deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's start right now in the right time. First move is you can see here queen cross d4. Now this black queen cut the rook, then queen take the rook because there is attack. To this rook cannot go there. That's why this queen cut the rook and queen take the rook and rook make a beautiful checkmate. That's it. You can see here. First move is queen cross d4. Second move of white, queen cross d4. Second move of black chain, rook e1 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is tactics 1 in the chess game, in the particular chess game. We can go to the second tactics of Sharmilan Chess YouTube channel tactics. Okay, let's go to the second tactics. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is tactics 2. You can see how to black won the game. Okay, you can see how to black won the game. This is tactics 2. In 3 moves, white win the game, black win the game. Okay, you can go to the moves one by one. First move is queen cross e4. Then second move of white chain, queen cross e4. Then second move of black chain, rook d1 check. Then third move of white chain, queen go to e1. Then bishop take the queen. That's it. That's why this game ended. In this particular chess game, black win easily. Okay. We can go to the chess tactics 3. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmilan Chess. This is tactics 3. Very card chess tactics. Okay, I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe because I put so many videos in this channel. You can watch and improve your chess talent. Okay. Now first move is black check. You can see how to black win the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. First move is queen take f2. Okay. The second move of white, rook take f2. Okay. Then second move of black chain, rook b1 and beautiful check. Then third move of white, rook f1. Then third move of black, rook take f1 and beautiful checkmate. Okay, this is tactic 3. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go to the tactics 4. Okay. Hello everyone. Good morning everybody. This is tactics 4. In this particular chess game, black win very hardly. You can see how to black win the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is bishop take a5. Okay. Then second move of white, bishop take a5. Then second move of black chain, queen take a5. Then third move of white chain, rook take a5. Then third move of black chain, rook a1 and beautiful check. Then fourth move, rook f1, black the check with rook f1. Then beautiful checkmate with rook take f1 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. Now we can go to the tactics 5. If you interest this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, because I put so many video in this Sharmilan chess YouTube channel. Don't miss out. Watch this video. Okay. Please go to we can go to the fifth move, fifth tactics. Okay. We can go to the fifth tactics. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharmilan chess. This is tactics 5, last tactics. Please watch and finish this video. In 2 moves, black win easily. You can see how to black win the tactic. Black win the game. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is black chain, queen c1 check. Then second move, bishop take the queen. Then third move, rook e1 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is fifth move, fifth tactic. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay. We can go to the next tactics tomorrow. Okay.